everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And my son is sitting with me and we are heading towards the waterfall. So stay tuned till the end so you get to know everything. Walking towards the waterfall. It's a rain waterfall. Actually, this waterfall come into exist during rainy season. It's all rain water from deep down the jungle and it flows like a stream. So it's a very beautiful waterfall. Anybody who feels like Goa is just limited to beaches, I guarantee you, very, very wrong. Because Goa is mix of everything. It's like a mini Bali. If anybody has visited Bali, they will know. It's a mixture of all mountain beauty and beaches. So Goa is something like that. We just finished taking bath in the waterfall. We are soaking wet. We all were soaking wet. It started raining and on top of that we were at the waterfall. So of course we had to go in the water. Goa mostly people know for its beach and some Portuguese churches. Now when I see this thing, it's mind-blowing. I have never seen such a beautiful waterfall in my life and this was the first time I have seen anything like this. Bye-bye to such a beautiful place. First time in his life, he went to waterfall, he enjoyed a lot. Now he's completely exhausted. We'll be sleeping now tonight. Keep watching. Agonda beach, so we have just reached Agonda beach. It was way back from the waterfall, so we thought we'll stop by here, but everything is closed because of lockdown and because of the season. There is no tourist around this place, but it's a beautiful place. One of the famous beaches in South Goa now. Because of the rain and everything, the water, the tide is very high. This is fresh water running down and it's meeting the sea water. It's a fresh rain water. There, my son. Oh my god, such a big one! From where you got fish? Puffle fish? Wow! video, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my video. Comment down below if you have any suggestion for me. I would love to read your comment and include in my videos. My dog is pulling me. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.